How to link Facebook page to Instagram account. Open the Facebook page on your Facebook app, then tap on three-line menu icon at top right corner. You have to select the gear icon at top of the screen. On the settings and privacy page, scroll down and tap on linked accounts under permissions. Here you have to tap view, which is next to Instagram, and now tap on connect account at the bottom of the screen. Here you have to continue. You have to log into your Instagram account that you want to link the Facebook page to. Enter the phone number, username or email address and the password. Once you have logged in, if you want to save your login info, tap on save info, otherwise tap on not now. Now tap on login as your Instagram account. Now you need to tap on continue after you reach to this page. So you have successfully connected your Facebook page to Instagram account. Let's tap on OK. If you want to disconnect, you can tap on disconnect account and either disconnect as well. So that's how we link Facebook page to Instagram account. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.